Ito na talaga yung pinakasulat na unlimited buffet na napuntahan ko at babalik-balikan ko. Food Club Manila is located at Ayala Malls, Manila Bay at kahit nga second time ko na dito, hindi ko pa rin natikman lahat ng foods nila dito. Paano ba naman kasi meron sila ditong 100 plus dishes with different cuisine for only 688 pesos. No wonder, kaya naman pala laging blockbuster ang pila dito. Meron sila ditong Chinese foods, gaya nga nitong siomai, siopaw, meron ding fried dumplings at pwede ka ring mag-shabu-shabu. Unlimited lahat dito, gaya na lang nitong pork lechon belly at ang pinakasikat sa kanila ang roast beef. Grabe, ang sarap nito. Of course, hindi pwedeng mawala dyan ng Japanese food. So, meron sila ditong iba't ibang klase ng sushi, unlimited sashimi. Ito namang tempura nila na napakabilis maubos pero mabilis lang din naman sila mag-refill. Syempre, unlimited din dyan ng pasta, pizza, and fries for Italian cuisine. And of course, hindi pwedeng mawala dyan ang Filipino foods. Sobrang dami nyo talagang choices dito. Meron sila ditong pang breakfast, meron ding pang lunch, and of course, meron din sila ditong mga gulay. Hindi lang yan dahil kahit nga drinks ay unlimited dito, unlimited soft drinks, juice, beer, and coffee. Sobrang dami ring choices sa dessert, may breads, ice cream, assorted flavor of cakes, halo-halo, fruits, gummies for kids, and chocolate fountain. So kung hindi mo pa natatry dito, nako, you should try. Open sila from Mondays to Sundays and holidays. Sobrang na-enjoy talaga namin yung foods namin dito. Kaya naman, see you around!